Hey everybody, Pete Meyer, Motor Age Magazine, coming to you once again from the show floor at AAPEX in Las Vegas, Nevada, and we're here with our friends at the Innova booth. Luke, great for having him here to talk to you today.
Yeah, thanks for coming, Pete.
You know, the reason I wanted to stop by here is to talk to them about a solution that they might have for you when it comes to your diagnostic troubles, and that's a repair database that they offer that can help you isolate the cause of the problem in a more efficient manner. But let me say this before we get to that. There are a lot of sources of information that you guys are using, and we always kind of refer to those in the industry as silver bullets. But I'm cautioning you here, guys. These databases, while they may tell you statistically what the most common sources of the problem are, that doesn't necessarily mean that your car has the exact same thing. These are guides. These are not shopping lists. So you want to make sure that you test your guess before you actually perform that repair. And when it comes time to using a database or selecting a database that can help you find that solution, well, the folks at Innova have a really good one, and it's called Repair Solution 2. Luke, tell us all about it.
Yeah, so Repair Solutions 2 is all about where we get our data from. I know you're talking about how it's not necessarily a silver bullet, and we do provide a most likely fix. So of course, you want to take a look at that data and just check to make sure that it's actually going to be the one that works for you. But just speaking about the Repair Solutions 2 database specifically, we have over 50 million fixes and over 500 million scans that come from actual technicians across the country. We have a whole network of technicians across the entire country that actually receive these scans, receive these codes, and then they go back in our database and actually double check it and put in the actual fix that they find out in the field, just to make sure it's verified and accurate.
So I want to stress that too. So the fixes that are listed in your database for those particular solutions, they are verified for that particular problem.
Exactly.
Right. That's very important. But again, we want to stress that while that was fixed for that one, again, and even you even very specific about this with your company when you're talking about your Repair Solutions 2, is that again, it's a guide, it's not a shopping list. You don't automatically go to number one and change the part. You still list specifically that the technician uses that information and then tests to make sure it's the same thing before he proceeds with the repair.
Absolutely.
Now it's a verified fix, right?
Yes.
Now, I know you have quite a line of scan tools, everything from tools for the DIYer to the professional. Mm-hmm. Where is Repair Solutions 2 available?
So Repair Solutions 2 is actually going to be a companion app in our entire line. So you can find it in our low end, say $60 code readers, all the way up to say our $300 plus bi-directional handheld tools. Repair Solutions 2 is also going to be built directly into our tablet form factor tool, actually built into the tablet itself, not as a companion app.
Okay, so I got to go back up on this one a little bit, because we know not only do we have a lot of professionals that watch our YouTube channel, but we also have some DIYers, very talented DIYers. So what you're telling me is if they get one of their Innova scan tools, they can go to the App Store, whether it's Google Play or Apple Store or whatever, they can download the Repair Solutions 2 app and sync that to the tool?
Exactly. And the best part is it's all free.
Wow.
So you buy the tool. The subscription to Repair Solutions 2 is completely free with the tool. There's no limits on how many reports you can run. There's no limits on actually what comes with the report. It's all there, complete access, completely for free when you buy the tool.
Wow, and you said that that's available embedded in the tool that's designed for the pro, right?
Exactly.
Tell us a little bit about that.
Yeah, so on that tablet, basically we're taking all the nice and special and fast features out of the handheld tool and putting it in a modern design, something that modern technicians are really looking for in that touchscreen tablet form factor. And then bundling in those reports and that extra diagnostic information you just talked about directly in the tablet, so you don't have to go somewhere else. You don't have to go on your computer or a different device to get that information.
Yeah, and it sounds like it's offered at a very affordable price for that working technician.
Exactly, correct.
So if they want more information about the tool, the Repair Solutions 2, or anything else in the Innova line, where do they got to go?
Best place is Innova.com if you want to find out more information about the product, but we're also in most major auto part retailers as well.
Right, okay, so you heard it straight from Luke, man. If you want to help find better solutions to your diagnostic problems, consider Innova. www.innova.com.